Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. My name's Kirra-belle. I've grown up surfing my whole life and I competed on the QS and Challenger series for many years. I've been doing this warm-up for years, probably for 10 years, something crazy. I just thought I would share it with you guys because I feel it makes a really big difference to my surfing and I feel it can make a big difference to your surfing. Thank you guys for watching. Let's get into it. Okay, so first we're gonna start with the breathing exercise that I learned from freediving. The reason I do this is I feel like it's a bit of a warm-up before the warm-up. So I like to do it first and yeah, let's get into it. I'm just gonna explain it and demonstrate it and then we'll do a few flows. So first of all, I breathe in to my belly, ribs, then chest. And I was taught to do this through my mouth because it's a freediving way, but you can do it through your nose if you want. I'm gonna go in through my mouth and out through my mouth. So you go in, hold, exhale, come forward, back up, keep your breath out, so hold your exhaled breath. So that's a demonstration of that one, and then we're also going to do around doing a bit of a side stretch again with the first one holding your breath in and then the second one exhaling all of your air out. Inhale, so that's one round, and you can go at your own pace if you need to move a bit faster because you can't hold your breath for long. Then you can do that at your own pace too, or you might be able to do it much longer than me, so just go at your own pace. So that's one round. We're going to do two more of those. So breathing in, all right, so we're going to do one more round of that. So just recover, let yourself recover, and let's get into it. I keep hitting the boards when I go that way. Okay. Good job. So just let your breath return to normal. So we're gonna come up now into a low squat. So you're just gonna kind of get some movement here. So yeah, you can put something under your ankles, or you might be here. You might not be as low as I am, or you might be deeper, you never know. Okay, so we're just gonna take a few rotations here. Just a normal breath now. Whatever your natural breath is when you're doing this, don't think about it too much. And yeah, just kind of getting some movement. All right, now we're gonna come forward into a surfer's lunge. I'll go sideways so you can see what I'm doing. So it kind of looks like this. Both hands are on the inside of the leg, like this. And you're gonna bring down your elbow to your ankle. So right elbow, right ankle. And you're gonna look back. So take that arm to the back, bring it back down, take it up to the side, back down again, and bring it forward. All right, switch sides. This is one that I learnt probably 10 years ago, and I've been doing it ever since, and it just, yeah, feels amazing. All right, same thing on the other side. Take it to the back, up to the side, and forward. Oh, I'm just gonna stay here for a second longer because this feels really good in my right hip flexor. Now we're gonna come into a lateral stretch, lateral lunge stretch. So just start here. So nice wide legs, straight legs as well if you can. If you need to bend your knees here, that's fine. And we're just gonna bend into each side. So straighten the opposite leg to the knee that you're bending. Just warm up a bit here. All right, now we're gonna go a bit deeper if you can. So we're gonna come into this kind of deeper squat and then over to the other. You can use your hands if you need to and kind of crawl your way over. Good job. Bring your hands back to the ground, coming up and just rolling up. Go back so you can see, rolling all the way up. Rolling those shoulders back and down. I forgot to do our neck stretches, so we're gonna do that. So I learnt these ones from my physio when I had a pretty bad neck injury, and I've just been doing them ever since. There's times where I'm not as disciplined with doing them and I do notice a huge difference, so yeah, try and prioritize these for sure. So we're just gonna do a few neck rolls. Actually, I'm gonna come onto my knees for this one. So you just get comfortable cross-legged or on your knees like this if you want. Bring your hands down by your side. We're just gonna take a few neck rolls. Now with this one, you don't want to be like really cranking your neck and stretching to the point where it feels like it's straining your neck. You just want to go nice and slow and have it so that it's feeling good, not painful. So yeah, just go at your own pace and you don't have to like really, you know, crank it to one side. You can just, you know, if you're here, that's fine. So Alright, we're going to take it the other way. And then we're just gonna bring our left ear to our right ear to our right shoulder and just gently kind of pull your head down and to feel a nice stretch in the side of your neck, the left side of your neck. And just make sure your left shoulder isn't coming up. Just make sure it's nice, relaxed, back and down, and yeah, it should feel really good. Then pull, kind of look down to your armpit. And other side. Then looking down to your armpit again. And then we're just gonna take our, go back and forth. So, well, I guess up and down. So looking up and then looking down. So tucking your chin to your chest. And same thing, looking up. Looking down. We're just gonna do this a few times. And then side to side, so looking to your right, looking to your left. We'll do this a few times. Alright, good job. Alrighty, so we're gonna do some activation stuff now. So this is when you're actually gonna get warm and psyched for a surf. You've done, you know, the breathing, the stretching, kind of just letting your muscles and your body get a bit more fluid. Now we're gonna up the ante. So I have just a few very basic exercises that I feel are really good for my surfing. First one is just a basic squat jump. So I like to warm up with just a few regular squats. So feet are hip width distance apart. Really driving through those heels and targeting your glutes as much as you can here. Alright, so now we're gonna do some jumping. So some squat jumps. Nice. Then we're gonna do some lateral lunges. So just lunging into each leg. Alright, take some big arm swells here, circles I mean. So go backwards, then go forward. Take a few rotations to each side. This is really good if you're like starting to turn, or if you're already able to turn, just warming up your thoracic spine. One thing that people forget the most to prioritize, like when they kind of get to a point where they can surf, you know, they can do an okay pop-up, they can get up, go across, they end up neglecting their pop-ups. So I still practice my pop-ups. I don't compete anymore, but I've seen the training style that they're doing for the surfers that are going to the Olympics. They're still focusing on the pop-up. The pop-up is so important. So we're just gonna do 5 pop-ups each side. So even though I'm goofy and my right foot is always forward, I switch and do 5 pop-ups on with my left leg forward as well. So 5 pop-ups each side. So 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, now I'm gonna do it with my left leg forward. I'm a little bit unco because I'm not a natural surfer, I'm a goofy surfer, so I probably won't look as professional on the other side. All right, let's do it. 3, 2, 1. 4 and 5. So I'm definitely nice and warm. If you're not, do another 5 pop-ups each side. I'm feeling really good, and yeah, definitely all warmed up for a surf. So get out there. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know if you want to see, hold on, just let me get my breath back. Let me know if you want to see more videos like this. Yeah, like and subscribe, comment below, and yeah, let me know what you guys think. I do this warm-up at home before I go surfing, just because I know for a fact when I get to the beach I'm not warming up, I'm getting straight out there. So I always make sure I do it at home before I get to the beach, even if I'm gonna be, you know, half an hour to 45 minutes before I surf. So yeah, I always do it at home, otherwise I won't do it at the beach. So if you're having that issue where you get to the beach and you're not warming up, just do it at home. If you're happy to warm up at the beach, then go for it. Take your phone down onto the beach with you and copy this video. And yeah, I hope you guys really enjoyed it. Have a good rest of your day. Bye.